Last week under F&O segment, we recommended to go short on Ashok Leyland at a market price of 133. It touched 105. For Wipro Limited, we asked to go long at a market price of 280. It touched 291. For Grasim Industries Limited, we asked to go long at a market price of 935. It touched 952. For HDFC Bank Limited, we asked to go long at a market price of 2183. It touched 2220. For RBL Bank Limited, we asked to go long at a market price of 570. It touched 585, but first it had hit our stop loss and then after it had hit that levels. For the commodity segment, we recommended to go short on gold at a market price of $1,241 with a target of $1,225. It touched at the level of $1,211. For silver, we asked to go short at a market price of $15.83 with a target of $15.58. It touched $15.13. अंडर मार्केट इंडेक्सेस फॉर निफ्टी हमने कहा था अगर वो 11,075 के लेवल्स को ब्रेक करता है तो ही वो आगे जा सकता है. द लेवल्स ऑफ 11,075 वर नॉट ब्रोकन. ऑन द अदर एंड द बॉटम्स वर एट 10,900. अगर इन लेवल्स को ब्रेक किया तो ही वो इनसे नीचे जाएगा. यू कैन सी मार्केट उसी रेंज में रहा है जो हमने कहा था. द सेम इवन हैपेंड फॉर द बैंक निफ्टी. जो रेंज हमने कहा था उसी रेंज के बीच में ये प्ले किया है. You can see that on the screen. Overall, we hope that you may have made a very good profit out of it. Hello everyone, myself Siddharth Shah, a stock analyst by profession, and this video is all about market outlook for this week starting on 23rd of July 2018. As analyzed by me with my team, the market outlook for this week is here. The last close of Nifty 50 was at 11,010. The crucial levels would be at 11,073. अगर इन लेवल को ब्रेक किया then market may test 11,125-200. But the support for the same would be at 10,925. अगर इन लेवल्स को ब्रेक किया तो market may test 10,820. But the chances of happening of such event are very less. We believe Nifty would be positive for the whole week and may create a new high by the end of this week. But what are the reasons behind the same? Last week, taking up the counter against the no confidence motion in Parliament, Narendra Modi gave a fantastic speech talking about the good things done by the government for India in the past 4 years. We believe this to be positive for the stock market. Again, China started liquidating more funds into the market, and this would be positive for Indian stock markets during this week. For Bank Nifty, the last close was at some around 26,873. We believe the levels of 940 would be very crucial. अगर इन levels को break करता है, chances है market may test 27,025 and 27,200 by the end of the week. But the support for the same would be at 26,780. The next would be at 26,575. But the chances of playing within the same ranges are very high. Under commodity segment, we would recommend to go long for gold at the market price of $1,229 per ounce, but the levels of 1237 would be very crucial. अगर इन levels को break करता है, market may test $1,251 by the end of the week, but the support for the same would be at $1,218. For silver, we would recommend to go long with a current market price of $15.49 with a target of $15.69 at once and then after $15.83 at the another one, but the support for the same would be at $15.33. Keep this in mind and play accordingly. Now let us talk about some upcoming events to the market this week. Talking about bonuses, splits, dividends and quarterly results to be declared during the week. Approximately 283 companies are declaring their quarter results by the end of the week, which includes ITC, Biocom, Yes Bank, ACC, PVR and many others. Talking about bonuses and splits, there are actually no companies declaring any bonus or split during the week, but there are 77 companies declaring dividend during the week, which includes Ramco Industries, Ramco Cement and many others. Now, is there any IPO coming up this week which you should subscribe? Yes, there is. HDFC AMC Limited. The company would be very good for short-term traders, showing a listing gain of 30-35%. But for long-term traders, let us have a look on the fundamentals. The company was incorporated in 1999, a Mumbai-based company, and promoted by HDFC Limited and Standard Life Insurance Company. The asset size and the revenue and the profit of the company are expanding every year. CRISIL in 2017 ranked this company as one of the most profitable companies in AMC segment in India. We believe this should be a good call for you for a long-term investment also. Now, what should be your strategy for trade during this week? For this week, under F&O segment, we would recommend you to go long on RBL Bank Limited at the current market price of 577 and a target of 600 and 620 with a stop loss of 565. For Tata Global Beverages, again go long with a current market price of 238 with a target of 255 and 260 with a stop loss of 230. For Indraprastha Gas Limited, we would ask you to go long with a target with a current market price of 278 and a target of 295 300 and a stop loss of 269. For CEAT Limited, we would ask you to go long with a current market price of 1356 with a target of 1395 and 1425 and a stop loss of 1320. For Maruti Suzuki Limited, with the current market price of 9400 and a target of 9550 and 9600, go long but with a stop loss of 9320. All these recommendations are for the expiry of the month of August. Keep that in mind and trade accordingly. We hope this video is useful to you. Like this video, we will be available with you every Monday talking about the market outlook for the upcoming week. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. For any queries, you can drop us a mail on our official ID connect@yourcapita.com. Till then, stay connected, stay invested along with Your Capita, as we just don't make money, we make a difference.